No, he's still playing Fortnite. Anyway,
Okay, where we landing, boy?
Intro.
Dude, I started recording. Shut up.
Okay, yeah, Skybase.
Skybase. Okay. First Skybase, then we'll go for fish camping. Then we'll go for fun stuff. I don't know so many memes, okay? Don't bully me.
Llama.
Oh, dude, get it. It's really useful for...
Renegade emote. Bro, by the way, don't do the renegade emote, otherwise your video might get copy strike.
I don't really get it.
Bro, then your video will be...
Someone go for the llama. It'll be pretty useful. We'll have a launch pad too.
Come on, please crash pads.
I put the most random glider I've ever seen. I'm always using this really for XP. Why do you need XP?
I got launch pad.
Oh, 2 launch pads with us now? With the Skybase, man.
I have 6 crash pads. 6 crash pads.
Okay, yes.
Oh, let's go, bro. That's
I got a
pretty good.
medkit, let's go.
Give 2 to each just in case they fall and they're bots or someone edits them off. We know who we are talking to. Oh, dude, I like so game. Dude, we got the llama.
Hello.
2 llama.
We got the llama.
2 launch pads and 6 crash pads for the Skybase. Dude, why did you waste a crash pad?
Now.
Bro, Love Warrior already started his recording. Bro, you can
It's fine
spectate
about
and
that.
also.
That's not a problem. I can end it.
You
Wait,
can't spectate.
I'll make it
what?
public. I'll make it public.
Oh, you have to make it a public
Can
party.
you
to
promote somebody else? I'm having a lot of lag.
Dude, it's yours. I'm not at all laggy.
Leave it. I'm not lagging,
Dude, someone's killing me. I have to run.
Before we start.
Yeah, I'll give you some. TT gets only 1 because he wasted 1 already. By double jumping, I guess. Wait, let me get a pistol. Let me get a weapon. There are people near us, so we have to be careful. I'm not wasting any mats.
Let's take a car. Let's take a car up. Let's take this car up with us.
No, bro, I'll just break it up. Oh, I got 2 urination cans. Let's go. That's good.
Demonetized.
Get some brick too, bro. The only thing we use a lot. It's something that Ducky the Gamer has. Oh no, people fighting me, help. Look, I'm taking cover by a tree, someone's killing me. Help! Help! Someone get a weapon and kill me. Master Star. Your name?
He's I know. He's my friend. He's Minnie's friend.
He's not even Mini. Dude, help!
He's not Minnie's friend, bro. He's Minnie's brother.
It's Felix on iPad, yo.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, boy.
Oh, hi.
Thick boy wants help. He has to kill somebody alone.
I thought you were like a real master star.
No, bro, I switched my account and this is my main account.
Why?
Help!
Because
Help, I
my
have to
brother
kill this
stopped playing
kid.
Fortnite and this account has like 50 more things in my account, so I'm gonna use this.
Sweaty's came on me with a hunting rifle and
Then change the name of the account to the other
No,
one.
I'll just keep me like
Wait, Minnie, can you tell me if you have a channel and can you subscribe to mine?
Yeah, bro. Minnie has a channel called Steelix on iPad, and
No,
he subscribed to me. I subscribed to him.
Okay, I'll
And,
subscribe to you.
Steelix,
Wait, can you
Steelix
subscribe to me?
Lava Warrior. Yeah,
Llama
Steelix
Legend.
Lava Warrior also has a YouTube channel called Llama Legends.
So can you
It
guys
has
let
like,
Mr.
it has
Insane?
like 5.
Can you guys let Mr. Insane please? Yeah, I'm playing duels with them right now.
Okay, yeah, bro, invite me. Okay, Mr.
Yeah, he joined. Let's go.
I got chocolate.
Yeah.
I got chocolate.
Wait, aren't we doing memes? Are we not?
We're doing
Everyone.
Boys, I don't have that much of math, but I still have a good amount.
I'm also not at that high now. I had to go to protect myself. Half of my time was wasted in killing some kid.
Have lost.
Okay.
I have
Okay, finally I get to my mic was not working.
Oh yeah, I forgot you. You're the one who got the llama, right? Wait, go to the station. We have to start making the skybase soon enough. Wait, do you know how to pre-edit? Cause my pre-edit doesn't work that well.
Do you really mind leaving?
Mine?
Nope. Sorry.
No, bro, we're not leaving. We're doing Skybase.
Okay then.
and he got me recording. And we got a llama. That's huge.
Yeah, that's pretty huge. And 6 crash.
You
Wait,
guys-
let me give you the crash pads on the way, guys.
Are you guys playing the hashtag Free Fortnite Cup? There's a new cup called hashtag Free Fortnite.
Yeah, I know. I don't think so. I don't think so. We are playing it. Dude, Raj, Marauders.
Get like PS4 and
If
something.
it's real, I'm going to play it. If it's solo, I
No, no.
don't know.
Bro, stop, Mr. NC. Wanna play a squad match, yeah?
Dude, Marauders are close by. Wait, Mudit, come fast.
Okay, Mr. NC, I'll invite you back. Okay, play Ronaldo match. What?
Dude, do it fast. You're being so slow. If not, I have to start
I can't.
presetting. Should I preset? Dude, don't build too high already, cause we have to shift to zone 2 and I have no heals.
Why is Master Star invited me?
Oh, he wants to play with you.
Who's Master Star?
Oh, that's many. Steal it.
Oh, okay.
That's his main account. Now.
No. The main bot you forget. He bought. Dude, but don't troll people in my video, bro. It's just weird. I know you like trolling a lot, but
Bro, give me the crash pads though. Give me crash pads. I need.
yeah, I'll give you some. None of us have it. First, let the skybase start. Dude, start the
Wait, you don't have
skybase.
crash pads?
I do.
Claudius,
Yeah,
are you going to make Fortnite videos?
I already made 2. 3. I have my 4th one ready, but I didn't. Huh?
With whom?
With whom? I'll do with myself, my sister, anyone actually. You want me to build?
Someone mark zone.
How high did you even make it?
It's not that high. Dude, go straight. Don't waste your mouth going sideways. Dude, stop wasting your mouth going sideways. Go straight.
Okay, then I'm back.
Food is almost over. All my food is almost over.
I thought you were good in maths.
I still have like 1,000.
Can you guys please accept my friend request? Would it please if not accept
Yeah,
my friend
subscribe to my
request?
channel. I'll accept it, Master Star. Hey,
Bro, even I have to accept it later, bro.
subscribe to my channel. Drop a like. I'm trying to act stupid like any other YouTube would. Oh, dude, zone's 4 now.
Always, I'm going to have you. I'm going to give you bad luck forever.
Subscribe to my channel. If not, you will never get a cookie. Pico. Subscribe to my channel. If not, you will never get a tacky wacky in your life.
Tacky wacky for life.
Pumpy Wumpy's better. Chargy Wargy is
Yeah,
a.
so I have so many skins in this account.
Dude, start going to zone. Start going to zone.
Look at this one.
Can you show me a skin?
Yeah, look,
Really?
I just showed you one. I have like, so you did already talk about Tico?
Wait.
Yeah, fish stick.
Oh.
And
Dude, you're wasting so many mats.
look at this style.
Yeah, dude, start building straight now. Enough of height.
And I have
Height
three-
is
I
enough.
have 3 more skins.
Height is enough.
Yeah, I have that.
I want to be with Fiyomi.
Oh, how high will you guys even build?
Okay, I don't have that.
Fiyomi. You shall come right behind us,
Okay,
bro.
and that's it. No, that's it.
Oh, you're
And
on
I have
battle
from
now?
season 7, and I have from season 7 battle pass to season 12 or 13. I believe I have all the battle passes, all the skins in those. That's it.
Guys, if you run out of math, I have a good
What?
amount.
Yeah, I also have a good amount.
Okay.
He's on Matthew right now.
Give me the crash pads at least, bro. What if we
Oh,
fall?
you're behind me.
Give me.
2 crash pads for you.
Give me.
No, you get only 1. You're bad boy. No, it's going to break us down, bro. Don't you know it falls down straight? More crash pads coming up.
Can we play something? So wanna play a duo match?
Yeah, hop into a
I
duo
like-
match and we'll invite you. Wait, we can only have a squad, dude. Forgot about
No,
that.
I need mats.
Okay, I'll go play solos then.
Okay, I'm done.
Wait, no, you can come in my other YouTube channel, bro. I mean, like, in one more video. In my
Guys, I'm
different
eating
video.
a raw potato right now. Don't believe
Dude,
me,
go
okay?
for. If we are out of mats, we can't complete this skybase and we'll have to have another take by launching now then. Because you do have launch pads, right?
I
Do you have weapons? Because I have none.
I have duck splasher.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I have weapons.
I have no heals. I have crash pads, flare gun, urination can, an AR with 5 ammunition and a hunting rifle. Dude, you just wasted 10 mats there, bro.
Bro,
And then,
I need to go straight
Blue
to
hunting
zone.
rifle. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Let's, someone break us down. Break us
no,
down.
Claudius, your intro should be like, rocket subscribe or going to hack or you're going
No,
to
I already put my intro finalized, bro. Dude, can you go to my channel and sub to it right now? Oh, dude, don't chalk splash. Don't waste
Bro,
your chalk
even
splash.
mine.
Bro,
Yeah.
Bro.
Modit-
Stop.
Modit plays an llama legend. Profile pic is a llama. Golden llama. Modit?
Please don't edit this, bro. Bro, please, bro. That day also I had to.
No, don't, please don't edit him off, bro. It's too stupid. You're being so rude.
I got put in place.
Next zone.
Llama legend with the golden llama,
Bro,
bro.
no spaces. Bro, no spaces. Alex, hope no spaces in Mudit place.
I didn't get max mats, okay? I had to kill people, so I didn't have enough time yet.
Even I didn't have max mats.
Do
I
you
only
have
have
mats?
like 500 more.
Now I have 500 more, bro. I wasn't even close. I was at 900 mats of wood. Dude, no supplies. Don't go for the supply, please. We are just going to waste mats. Well, isn't that the point of skybase you bought? Yep, it is.
Bro,
I cannot.
one vote. Bro, give me one vote. Just give me one vote.
Nine. I don't
Put
have
in
any
place.
wood.
Okay. 9 subscribers and 2 video, right?
No,
I
he has-
think, yeah.
No, you have at least
Yeah,
3 videos, bro. Did you delete one?
I have 3 videos,
Bro,
bro.
done.
But I have 9
Oh
subscribers.
no! Bullies! Where are the bullies? We have to kill them. I have to kill them.
All,
Bully is a marauder!
all guys training.
That's
right?
rude.
All guys training.
I cracked a guy. I got a kill. Look at the chat.
Oh, dude, the marauder is going to break us down now. Oh no, the marauder didn't even see us, bot. Cheater, move it.
Maybe the Marauders are season 1.
Yeah,
Yeah, subscribe to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
channel.
Squad, sir.
What?
Did you subscribe to my channel?
We'll play duos
Finally, we
come.
can talk. Huh?
I need
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do this thing right.
Duos,
Spelling.
duos.
Invite me to party, okay?
Subscribe me, boy. Subscribe to me, boy.
Ah, what is the spelling?
Oh, Llama Legend, yeah. I think L is caps lock. Wait, there's someone there. God, in the car. We might get this job by that one marauder sniping everybody.
Someone shooting. Someone shooting us down. Heal this.
Repair? Yeah, I repaired them.
Nice.
Holy, I almost jumped off.
What? Wait, players over here. Should I shoot them? Here, bro, here.
Oh, that's right.
One is staying in the storm for some reason.
Oh, I killed the guy.
Repair. I'm repairing. I'll be on repairing duty. Those people shifting to zone, I
Okay,
think.
I wrote Llama Legend, okay?
Why? He
Bro,
said
don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot now. Don't shoot now. Don't shoot.
he's a bot, bro. Literally, you can see it by his gameplay.
Bro, I wrote Llama Legend.
Golden Llama profile
What is
pic.
the profile?
Golden Llama.
Golden Llama. One Golden Llama.
No, repair. Yeah, one Golden Llama, obviously.
No!
Bro, I cannot see it.
You did hallelujah. Why you do hallelujah?
I don't even understand. I deployed the crash pad, but it didn't, this thing.
Oh my god.
Like,
Bro, now.
Yeah, I'm
Come here.
dead.
Come here. Down for him. Down for him. Come here.
Yeah, boy.
like,
Sit over
Wait,
here.
my intro says Llama Warrior and it's like an orange one. Wait, do pawn with me. No, you're going to fall off or I'll edit you off. Wait, you have crash pads,
Llama
right?
Legend.
Wait, Docky, you have crash pads, right?
No, I don't.
Did he take all the crash pads? I'll give you one, bro. Don't worry. You wasted one anyway. You need only one, actually. We got 6 for no reason.
I cannot channel.
Oh, yeah, there's a bug. You have to deploy when you're in the air, dude. Make sure you do that part.
Spaces or no spaces?
No spaces, obviously. I mean spaces, yes. There was one. It doesn't count as a space, but yeah, there's one space. Okay, we mark them. Wait, dude, one sec. I'm gonna kill this dude. Dude, I hit his marker. That's body.
Bruh, I cannot even see your freaking distance.
I cracked him.
Bro, you need to scroll a lot. Bro, you need to scroll a bit.
I
It's
was
like
not
a
that
golden
scrolled.
llama. And he has
Yeah.
like 3 videos.
Yeah, I have 3 exactly now. Power of aimbot, please show up my card.
Okay, come to zone. Come to zone. Come to zone. I have no maths.
Madhut had the
he's
rest of
gonna
the maths.
run out of maths soon.
Now, love for you. Give me some. Give me 1 wood. I can build 1 wood.
Sorry, I don't know maths. I gave you 2 wood by mistake.
Hello?
Hello, boy.
Bro, how can I speak in this and in Mohit's party I cannot speak?
I don't know. Maybe he muted you. Oh my god.
No, I'm coming more. Wait. So much like this.
Ooh, I don't even got now. Flared him? Power of aim. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy! Me! Power of air spray. 8. Power of shooting your own bills down.
Oh,
You shot your own bill down again. At least we have crash. Ah, dude! Stop! Don't do that. Be a good boy. If not, you're going to get edited off. Oh, we have to shift his zone, bro. Yeah, that's mine. That's my boy.
Yeah, that's his intro. That's his intro.
I like it, bro. I like more than everyone.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Urinate! Urinate, boy! Urination! Urination! Get urinated on, boy! Boy!
I wasted mine.
Alright. Thank
तो
you.
internet काम नहीं कर
I
रहा
have 2 ammunition and I'm about to die. Yoink.
लेकिन
Not anymore. No more power of AR spraying like hell. Whee! I died in that, my god. Ducky the gamer dude, you're our only hope. You're gliding in the air like a board. Don't shake me down, if not you're going to get punished. You have to subscribe to my channel, that's your punishment now.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to subscribe.
Oh, that's
even,
also you.
so even I'm gonna make an intro sort of like that, but not like that. Bro, why don't you make a better this thing? Bro, why don't you make a better channel logo?
I'll try. Okay. Okay, boy.
I'm gonna kick you guys.
Yeah, kick him, bro. Let's try the fishing meme now.